Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at an electronic keyboard that's designed specifically with new musicians in mind. This is the Babus 54 Keys electronic keyboard piano, a digital music keyboard that comes with a microphone, aiming to provide a musical enlightenment experience. It's built to allow beginners to learn rich musical knowledge and master basic standard skills right from the start. The keyboard features 54 standard size keys, which is a good size for getting started without being overwhelming. It comes packed with excellent functions that make learning and playing fun and engaging. Users have access to 8 different tones, allowing them to experiment with various instrument sounds. There are also 5 rhythms to play along with, helping develop timing and rhythm skills. For inspiration or just listening pleasure, it includes 6 demo songs. Budding musicians can also explore 5 different percussion sounds to add flair to their playing. A useful record function is also included, which allows players to record their performances and listen back, a great tool for practice and improvement. One of the standout features is the inclusion of a mini microphone. This isn't just for show. It allows players to sing along while they are playing the keyboard, adding another dimension to their musical exploration and making practice more interactive and enjoyable. This feature is particularly appealing for younger learners or anyone who enjoys combining singing with playing. With its 54 keys and comprehensive set of functions, this electronic keyboard piano is designed to meet the needs of beginners, students, and even adults who are just starting their musical journey. Its focus on foundational skills combined with fun features like the microphone and varied sounds makes it a solid choice for a first instrument. The product is also described as portable, suggesting it's easy to move around, whether practicing in different rooms or taking it to lessons. Overall, it presents itself as an accessible and functional tool for anyone looking to dive into the world of playing the piano and exploring digital music.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.